Hi guys, I'm Cindy, Supposedly Chic, and welcome to our Wantable Fitness Edit. This is our either fourth or fifth one. We are on a quest to get all of the greatest fitness outfits, right, that we can, so we can look good while we're working hard. So we get a Wantable Fitness Edit one time per month, and it has anywhere between 5 and 9 pieces in the box. Wantable's kind of cool because they give you a discount if you keep 5 items or more. You get a 20% discount. So you don't have to keep the whole box, but if you find 5 pieces that you like, they will give you a discount for keeping them. Today we got 8 pieces. We got 3 pairs of leggings, we got a sports bra, 2 tanks, and then sort of what I like to call overwear, which is you can wear it to work out if you'd like, you can wear it to throw on if it's cold outside or you're an early morning workout girl like I am. And so I like to call it outer wear, after workout wear. So we got one of those pieces. Just to let you know, just kind of a ballpark, because we have been working really closely with Wantable to try and get some of the prices down. I want to say our first Wantable fitness box, we had a couple pairs of leggings in there that were phenomenal. They were $88. And I am going to sweat like a hooker in church when I'm at the gym or when I'm at Pilates, and I'm not going to sweat in $88 leggings. Not when I can pick them up at Target for $24. So we've been working the last couple months to try and get our Wantable, at least leggings, down in price, and they're getting there. They're still, for me, sometimes a little too extreme, but we'll talk about that as we break through the box. But if we were to keep this entire box of, again, 8 items, sorry, I can't add 7 items, we would be giving Wantable $265. So $265 for 7 items of workout gear. That roughly works out to about $40 per piece. Not terrible, not great. So what I like to do with my Wantable Fitness Edit is at least pick out 1 or 2 gems that I think I definitely can kind of integrate into my wardrobe. Usually send back the rest. So guys, if you're ready, let's go ahead and just get started with what we got in our box. So our first item is by Wear to Heart. It is a multi-strap back mesh bra in black. So there's the back. You can kind of see it does have the mesh design on it, and you can see it in the close-ups. Here's the front. There is no padding in this top at all. So it's not a bad top. It's not a great top. This guy is $39. And again, by Wear to Heart. Our first pair of leggings are from Coliseum, and they are the Seasons Capri Shade. These are $59. So again, we are down from $88, but still a little pricey as far as leggings go. They have a really nice pattern here on both of the front legs. And then they have mesh at the bottom on the back of the leg. They are capri size, they fit well, they're a little high-waisted. Not a bad pair of leggings. $59 for leggings. We're going to see at the end of this episode how they go. And one thing I didn't mention is at the end of the episode, I will tell you all of the items that I'm keeping out of this month's box. Our next pair of leggings is by Shape Active. These are the Marathon Capri in Legion Blue. They've got a black stripe that starts on the side and extends across the back. They do have, which I didn't show you on the close-up, a zipper pouch here on the back, and the pocket goes not far at all, you guys, maybe about 1 inch down here. So it would hold maybe a key, nothing else. Wouldn't hold your phone, wouldn't hold anything of any kind of merit. But again, it's Shape Active, so it's got nice sort of spandex acrylic. And this is $64 for this pair of capris. And while I like it because it's a color that I don't have, we're going to have to talk about the price points on these leggings when we do our wrap-up. The first tank we're going to look at is the S-Seam Tank in white by Shape Active. This was one of the first items I got, you guys, from Shape Active. Not a lot of difference between the two. It does have a mesh here on the back, which is probably nice for when you're really sweating a lot. But I have a white one already that I'm actually wearing right now. So this is $34. It's one of the least expensive tanks we have. So the possibility exists that we might keep this, but there's not a whole lot. I kind of like this sort of seam here that you can see on the side, but we will see. Seams or not, we will see. Our next tank is by Glider. They call this the Mood Tank in black. It is $39. So you can see our tops are all really great price points. Just the leggings that just get a little crazy sometimes. As you saw in the close-up, it does have a mesh panel here across the center, right there. And then it continues that mesh pattern all down, or all at the top of the back. It's lightweight. It is not a nylon or a spandex. It really is more of a cotton. And for activities where I'm not going to sweat a lot, like Pilates is one of them. I work my butt off on Pilates, but I'm not necessarily sweating while I'm in there. This could be a nice option. And again, this guy is $39 from Glider. Our outerwear piece is by Glider. They call this the Waverly Hoodie in Black. This guy is only $39. It is also cotton. And I kind of love the sort of, almost like I took a big sweatshirt and I cut off the sleeves. You saw in the close-up, it does have sort of a deep dive here on the sleeves. It has a really big hood. I don't know whose size head would fit in this, because you saw when I put the hoodie on, it covered almost my whole face. But I like this sort of different color ties here. It's really lightweight. And it's just kind of a nice variation to a tank top when you're working out. I don't think that it would impede any of my activities that I do while I'm working out, and it definitely, it's loose and lightweight, so it's not going to sort of hold me down. So a really unique kind of cool outerwear piece from Coliseum. And guys, our last pair of leggings is from MPG Sport. This is Prelude High Waist Capri in Micro Black. These are $54. They have a sort of internal elastic drawstring here on the front that you can, I'm assuming, pull to tighten it, and then pull it out to loosen it. High-waisted, good support and coverage up here. I like the length. They're very similar to the first pair of leggings that I did buy from Wantable. They have the cutouts on the sides. I think I'm just sort of a fan of this kind of heather gray black material. So of all the leggings that we got, I like these ones, I think, the best. But they are so very similar to the ones that I already have. Maybe I could have a short pair and a long pair. But yeah, these guys, and again, $54. It's kind of like right in the middle for the sweet spot here for leggings from Wantable. Alright guys, so here's where we wrap up. We talk about the items that we liked. I let you know what I decided to keep, and tell you a little bit about how Wantable works on a monthly basis. So you saw the items that we got. Again, I am constantly pressing for more economically priced leggings, so I'm very picky in my selection. We had 3 pairs that were quite honestly really great, all 3 of them. But when it comes right down to it, my favorite one was the MPG Sport Prelude leggings. I liked how they fit. I, again, really like this pattern. You know, I can put it together with white. I can put it together with black. So there's a lot of different options. And again, yes, we are at the gym or at the Pilates or at wherever, kickboxing, to work out and to strengthen ourselves and you know, get our cardio going and to be active. But there's no reason why you can't do that looking good, right? The 2 other for sures, you guys, are the cotton sort of materials. Again, I just like, I have so much of this sort of nylon spandex kind of tank tops. It's nice to have some that are just sort of nice, light, breathable cotton. This one is a unique style. I like it a lot. In fact, it goes, I think, with almost every pair of workout leggings that I have. And again, this is the Mood Tank by Glider, and it is $39. And I think, quite honestly, the last item we're going to keep, guys, is this Waverly Throwover Hoodie by Coliseum. It's not like anything I've gotten before from Wantable. And again, it's that sort of nice lightweight cotton. It's very thin, you guys. And I just think that it's kind of a nice change up from a tank, and at $39 is a really great deal. So we will be keeping this Waverly hoodie as well. So guys, that's what we do here in our unboxing episodes, is we take a look at everything they sent us, we try it on, we show you close-ups, and then we sort of go back and forth on what makes sense to keep in our wardrobe, be it our fashion wardrobe or our fitness wardrobe. Again, as I mentioned a little earlier, Wantable does give you a discount if you keep 5 items. I'm at 3 right now, but anything from there up, they're all in the $50 and higher range, so I would probably need to spend another $120 to save maybe $60. So I'm not going to do that this month, although there are months that I do, if it's a really great subscription box for that month. You know, there's a lot of really unique leggings out there. There's like great florals, there's great, you know, browns and grays, and so we're going to keep pushing our stylist to provide us with a big variety of leggings to go through. Thank you so much for hanging out. Let me know what you think. If you are new to this channel, I ask you to do me a favor and just sort of like crush that subscribe button that you see down below, and also make sure you hit that little ringy dingy bell, because then you will be notified of any new content we get on this channel. And also, if you are new to my channel, I'm going to go ahead and put a couple videos up here that will sort of show you what we're about, get you started. And guys, until next time, this is Cindy Brown, and make it a good one.